So sometimes we get pure water as well, and sometimes we get sugar cane also. From here, it is from one side. If we supposedly, hypothetically see like a global circle, then we are sitting in the ocean of salt. Don't think about big, think about small right now. Because thinking small, then we will gradually go to big thinking. If you think that this ocean is so small and take it in a global, then when you go towards right, suppose there is pure water, then at the left side you will get the ocean of sugar cane. So sometimes pure water we get, and from here, from the ocean of being sugarcane this side, sometimes the sweetness comes to us. How is the taste of pure water? Have you ever tasted or drank pure water? How it is taste? It is not sweet. It is little. मतलब bitter. Kasela means bitter, little bit of bitter. When something is mixed in that pure water, the taste of that water changes. For example, gooseberry. It is a little bitter, and then after some time, it tastes very sweet. So we are saying that Shukdev Goswami, what he's discussing about the seven oceans of this material world. The more we drink the water of ocean, how is the taste of that water? Is salty. Srila Shukdev Goswami Pan has identified seven islands. We have to remember this. Srimad Bhagavatam, 5th canto, 1st chapter, from Shlok 32. Seven islands are being discussed. The name of the islands are Jambudweep, Lakshadweep, Sambuli, Oshadweep, Kron. Last is Pushkar. These islands are twice as large as and each of these 75 and liquid substance and pure, which is the next item. One ocean is far away from the another ocean that we are not able to imagine. And one samudra and one ocean and one island हजार मील दूर है one island is two times big the island of the other island. We are here in Jambudweep. When we take sankalpa, then we say this.
इस भूमंड भूमंडल में
In this
जम्बूद्वीप
material world,
जम्बूद्वीप में एक कहा जाता है इसमें 9 वर्ष होता
here
है
9 years are being talked about on this Jambudweep.
अतः एक वर्ष
One year
which a length of 9,000 योजन 9,000 योजन इसमें लिखा गया 72,000 माइल
73.
एक आइलैंड से दूसरी
One island is one island. How far is one island to another island? 72,000 miles. One island is 72,000 miles part away from another island.
The most famous of the 9 islands
The most famous of 9 islands is Bharatvarsha. Sorry, it was not 9 years, it was nine islands.
भरत महाराज के नाम से हुआ क्या
From the name of Bharat Maharaj, the name is kept Bharatvarsh.
इसी प्रकार कहा जाता है भारतवर्ष
In the same way,
वर्ष
Bharatvarsha,
हिरण्मय वर्ष रमय वर्ष इलापृत वर्ष और भद्र वर्ष और केतुमान वर्ष
in Jaivadharma Bhaktivinoda Thakur, in very brief, he has talked about these 7 islands. In which chapter have you heard? Fifth, 10th, which chapter? These 9 islands are being talked. I guess you have not read Jaivadharam in first chapter only. Do you have Jaivadharma? In first chapter, these all is being discussed. Jambudweep. In starting, it is mentioned. Then Navdeep Dham, the glories of Navdeep Dham are discussed in the starting only. On the name of Bharat Maharaj, this Bharat verse is kept in Bhagavad. Two Bharat Maharajis are talked. One is the son of Rishabh Dev. His name got Bharat. And second is the son of Shakuntala, Bharat. Some people, they imagine that the son of Shakuntala, Bharat, this name Bharatvarsh is kept, but no, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says this name Bharatvarsh is 1,000, if is from 1,000 years ago, from Satyayuga. This name is there, Bharatvarsh. And his son, the son of Rishabdev, there was 100 sons. Later his name got to be Jarad Bharat. Rishabdev got 100 sons. Navajogendra, 9 sons. No, 9 became the king of. 81 became Karmkandya Brahmacharis. 91. 81. Then it became. Nine are Karmakandi Brahmacharis. Nine these kings. When you do the puja for, there are good people also, there are bad people also. When we do Pindadan, so they are being called. Then only they take your pind.
बुला लेते हैं
We
और
call
बुला
them
बुला लेके बुला लेते हैं और
these
फिर बोलते हैं
ghosts.
मैं इस आदमी से होकर नहीं जाऊंगा
Then the ghost says that, oh, I will now not leave this place.
हाँ जी
For Pinddan, we call these um,
इसलिए एक में 81 जो है
spiritual
81 जो है ये क्या
entities.
बना
These
कर्मकांड ब्राह्मण कर्मकांड में लगे
81 kings became Karmakandi Brahmins.
और नौ जो नवजोगिंद्र
And
वो
these
योगी हमने
nine
बोला
Yogendra, these nine Navyogendra
ये
kings,
समझते हैं
they became
ये नवजोगिंद्र बने
they became
नेमी
Navayogendra
महाराज के
who
दरबार में आए
who came
और
in
नेमी
the
महाराज
fort of Nemi Maharaj.
नौ प्रश्न उनसे पूछा
And Nemi Maharaj asked them nine
बहुत
questions
सुंदर है
very
दिया है
beautifully
एकादश स्कंद में
in
नवजोगिंद्र संवाद में पढ़ना चाहिए
11th
उसमें एक
canto.
प्रश्न बोलो एक ही
These questions are there.
क्या प्रश्न पूछा जाए
What questions he asked? Quote anyone.
भागवत के जन भागवत धर्म किसको कहते हैं
What is Bhagavad Dharma?
भागवत किसको लिखे बता
Not only he talked about Bhagavad,
धर्म किसको
what is the
कहते हैं
Bhagavad Dharma?
भागवत और भागवत धर्म एक नहीं
Bhagavad and Bhagavad Dharma are not one.
इसके
These are different.
है विशेष करके जो है उसमें
Especially,
एक प्रश्न पूछा था
they asked one question that in Kali Yuga,
हमारे आराध्य देव
who
कौन
will
है
be our
और
presiding
किस मंत्र के
deity
द्वारा
and through
उनके
which mantra
पूजा
we will worship them.
है कलयुग में हमारे आराध्य
In
देव
Kali
कौन
Yuga,
है
who is our Aradhya
और
Dev,
किस
who is
मंत्र
our
के द्वारा
presiding
उसे हम पूजा
worshipable deity,
है
and with which
कृष्ण
mantra
वर्णम किसाब
we
श्याम
will
वर्ण वस्त्र
worship
भास्करम
them.
जब भी शब्द का प्राणी जयंती ही है क्योंकि जो
So,
बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति जो
because the
है
intelligent people
बड़ी जी में जो हमारा
in Kali
आराध्य
Yuga,
देव
our
होगा
worshipable
उसे किस
deity,
मंत्र के द्वारा
with which
कृष्ण मंत्र के
mantra,
द्वारा उसे
through
हम
Krishna
पूजा
mantra, we will worship
एक
them.
है, कृष्ण वर्णम ईसा कृष्ण
Krishna Varnam
और वो
Tasha
बोले
Krishnam.
कृष्ण वर्णम रस्ती जैसे ही कृष्ण वर्णम
The
अगर
complexion,
कृष्ण वर्ण
the complexion is of like Krishna.
जो स्वयं कृष्ण ही
So,
अलग कर दे
so
कृष्ण वर्ण
Krishna,
स्वयं कृष्ण ही जो ये दो
Swayam
वर्ण है
Krishna,
कृष्ण
it is two
ये
syllables,
दो वर्ण के
Krishna.
सदा सर्वदा वो क्या करेंगे
He will
उच्चारण
always
कृष्ण
chant
मंत्र
this
के
two
फिर कोई
syllables,
उच्चारण नहीं
Krishna. He
है
will always chant
कृष्ण
this
वर्णम ईसा
Krishna and nothing
कृष्ण
except Krishna.
ईसा माने उनकी अंग की कांति जो है
How is the
से और
complexion, Kanti of?
उसके अंग कांति कैसे होगा
How will be the complexion, the body complexion, luster?
कृष्ण वर्ण नहीं होगा, काला नहीं
Not
होगा
black like
उसके
Krishna,
कांति कैसे होगा
but how will be the complexion is
पीताम्बर
Gaur Varna, a
कृष्ण
golden
वर्ण
complexion.
तो अंग
Then
अपने अंग के
so
साथ
Anga,
वो
with his limbs, he will manifest
अंग
two
एक
Anga. Gadadhar,
नित्यानंद और एक
one is Nityananda and
अद्वैत
second is Advait Vacharya.
और
These are
एक
Anga.
अंग की
Then,
कहा जाता है
then the
पांग
part
कहा
of
जाता
Ang
है
is
श्रीवास
Upang.
आयुर्वेदिक
It
शक्ति
is Shrivas Thakur.
पांग कहा
They are called Upang.
है जैसे पेड़
Like
के अंग एक पेड़
like
हो गया
like there is
उसके
one
दो
tree,
डाल और पेड़
there are two
डालने को
branches, and from the
शाखा शाखा
branches,
बोलते हैं
uh,
उसको डालने करके उसके अंग को क्या कहते हैं शाखा कहते हैं
we call it
हिंदी में उर्दू के लिए
we call that from the branches,
वो है वो एक कौन हो
more
गया श्रीवास
more
है
branches comes. So that is
शांगो
called
अंग
Tehni in Hindi.
आज
The sub part of
कृष्ण वर्ण किसान सांगो कांगो
the sub part of Upang,
पार्षदम
Parshadam, the
पार्षद कौन हो
Parshad,
गया
the associates are
गदाधर
Gadadhar,
ये
and
पार्षद
these are
है
associates.
और क्या चीज रही अस्त्र
The
है
weapon,
ये
the
भगवान
weapon
का है
is
खाली
how
हाथ थोड़ी है
Bhagwan, the
भगवान का
Lord,
हाथ होगा
doesn't
तो
come
अस्त्र चाहिए ना
uh,
क्यों भगवान ने
barehanded, he
दो काम
comes
बोला
with
एक बोला
weapon.
उसुर के मारो पाप
The two
उसुर के
things
जो है
of Bhagwan is
संहार करना
first is
और
to kill
दुष्ट
and
के
destroy
विनाश
the
दुष्ट के संहार करना
to destroy
और
and kill the bad
साधु
people
के जो है
and
पालन करना
and to
परित्र
maintain the
नारायण
sadhus,
साधुनां
परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम्.
तो साधु के पालन करना
To
और
maintain the sadhus
दुष्ट के
and to
विनाश करना।
destroy the
तो उसके
bad,
लिए क्या चाहिए?
what is
अस्त्र
needed?
दुष्ट के
Astra.
विनाश करने के लिए अस्त्र चाहिए।
For destroying or killing the
तो
bad
अस्त्र
people,
क्या
what
है?
is required? It is the weapon, that is the Harinam.
कृष्ण वर्णन सात संग अस्त्र पार्षद जब कई संकीर्तन इस कलयुग में
In
एक ही
this
तत्व
Kali
था।
Yuga, there is only one
नाम संकीर्तन रूपी यज्ञ।
is one yagya, which is
क्या
called
जरूर करना पड़ेगा? नाम संकीर्तन।
the holy names. Chanting of the holy names is
यदि नाम
the
संकीर्तन नहीं है,
Havan.
सारे जप कर दिया,
When we have
स्वाहा
not
स्वाहा
done,
कर दिया, कुछ
then
नहीं। नाम
if we have not done holy names, then
आदि
no
मध्य
fruit
अंत
of getting the Havan.
भरी कीर्ति। जब के प्रारंभ में
So in
नाम
the
संकीर्तन,
yagya, first is Nam Sankirtan,
जब के
and in the middle
बीच में
we do Nam
नाम
Sankirtan.
संकीर्तन
Then
और आखिर में
then at the end is Nam Sankirtan,
जब के संकीर्तन।
Yagya Sankirtan.
स्वयं
So
भगवान आए, इस अस्त्र का कलित में जो भगवान आएंगे,
so when the Lord will manifest, what weapon he will bring? Harinam Sankirtan.
और जितने भी
And
अवतार आते हैं,
how all the other avatars, they do not bring they bring other weapons. Nursing Dev, what he brought?
हैं? अपने नाखून
He brought his nails as weapons, so big nails.
हैं? इसलिए आजकल लोग
So nowadays,
सलूस पे नहीं रखते,
no, males do not keep.
स्त्रियां रखती हैं।
The ladies, they keep long nails.
ये कहाँ से पैसे आए?
From where this fashion have come? From where this fashion has come?
ये सब नरसिंह
All this come from Nursing Dev. That is why the ladies, they have angry mood. It has come from Nursing Dev.
इसी सब को कह रहे हैं।
So everybody cut your nails.
बुद्धि सब
Then your angry mood will come down.
आज और हम लोग वही काम में लगे रहते हैं।
Every day you are in this filing the nails, nail art, taking out
मेला जम जाता है।
the dirt. It gets accumulated in the nails. Then you go to the market, get it out. In the
हाँ?
you go in the salon and get it done. You have nothing else. Husband earns, and these ladies they
तो कितने नाम नहीं
So Nam Rupi Astra, holy names, weapon is the weapon.
सेंसलेस हो जाएगा।
इसलिए श्लोक सब याद रखें। कृष्ण वंदे साकृष्ण संपद
So everybody has to learn this shlok.
संकीर्तन प्राणि
So many.
और जो कलयुग में जो भगवान
In Kali Yuga, the Lord, how we will know that this is the Lord? How will we be able to discover?
तो हो गया उसके लिए कार्य
For that it is said,
तप्ता सुविस्तृत सुविस्तृत राज्य लक्ष्मी धर्मिष्ठ आद्य वचसा जगदाद माया निकुसितम अन्नदावद वंदे महापुरुषते
Charanaravindam.
ये भी
So this is also talked that how we will be able to discover that who is the Lord through this shlok.
धर्मिष्ठ आद्य वचसा जगदाद माया निकुसितम अन्नदावद वंदे महापुरुषते शरणागत उनके स्वरूप बता दिया।
The Swarup of the Lord, that the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he will manifest, this is the Swarup. It is described in this shlok.
लागू करते हैं।
Some people, they put this shlok, apply on Ramchandra, that for following the rules of his father,
है। आज जो कहीं से उसके पिताजी
the
के
order of
वचन रखने के लिए
to keep the order of his
उन्होंने
father,
वन में गए।
he went to the
है,
forest.
पंडित लोग इसको पर लगा देते हैं।
The Pandits,
किसके ऊपर
they
आधारित है?
apply this
ये
shlok
तो यहाँ
on
पर है, कौन
Ramchandra,
इसकी पेट वाली?
but here it is specifically mentioned that no, it is for the
कली
Kali
में
Yuga.
जो आएंगे रामचंद्र कब आएंगे?
Ramchandra, when he came
वो तो त्रेता युग में
in Treta Yuga, he came.
है। तो इसमें
So,
एक बार है, वो इसमें क्या बोले हमें मथुरा मठ में
once upon a time in Mathura Math, the Vidwat Sabha happened.
सबसे जो है वो धन्य जो है
The very intelligent one,
विद्वान है संस्कृत के
one
पंडित।
very intelligent Sanskrit Pandit
जब
of
विश्व पर
Mathura,
चर्चा करें
when
रामचंद्र
he
के लिए,
when he talked,
तत्ता सुदिष्ट
when he
सुदिष्ट
applied
बताते
this
हैं
shlok on
इसमें,
Ramchandra,
है, धर्मिष्ठा
this
आर्य
shlok,
प्रतिशत, जज्ञान मायामृगम देशिके, मायामृग,
Maya
रामचंद्र,
Mriga, that
है,
Ramchandra
मायारूपी
is
मृग के हिरण के पीछे
that Ramchandra is running towards the
पूरे
deer.
रक्षा करने।
He
तो उनके
explained
बच्चे समाप्त
this.
हो गया,
When
गुरुदेव
his
के इतने
explanation
सुंदर रूप
ended,
में
Srila Gurudev very beautifully he cut
बोले
his
आगे बताओ प्रश्न
explanation.
क्या था?
But what was the
कली युग में
question? It was about Kali Yuga.
रामचंद्र कली युग में आए थे कि त्रेता युग में
Ramchandra
आए थे?
came in Kali Yuga or Treta Yuga.
तो पंडित आप कहते
Then
हैं,
Pandit, he was not able to give the
लेकिन
answer.
जिस
So,
कली युग में
so in this
जो
Kali Yuga,
अवतार होगा
the avatar which will be there, the Lord
उसके
which
लिए
will be
ये कहा
there,
है
for that
कि
this shlok is
तत्ता
applied.
सुदिष्ट सूर्य है, बड़े 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 देवताओं के लिए इच्छा
The,
आखिरी वस्तु जो है
the
है,
thing which the
क्या
demigods,
सब लोग क्या चाहते हैं?
what the
लाभ
people
पूजा
want,
चाहते हैं।
name, fame,
सब
reputation,
हम त्याग दे सकते हैं कि
we
लाभ पूजा प्रतिष्ठा हम छोड़ दें।
everything we can get out, but we are not able to
किंतु चैतन्य महाप्रभु निमाय नहीं थे,
leave this name,
है,
reputation.
सब प्रकार के लाभ पूजा प्रतिष्ठा को त्याग दे करके
Nimai,
नाश में गए।
he left all this name, fame, reputation and took the
नवदीप
sannyas.
धाम में
So in Navadip
जो
Dham,
निमाय पंडित
he was
बड़े
known
बड़े
as
पंडित
Nimai
लोग उसके
Pandit.
सामने करने में
Very big pandits, they were scared to come in front of Nimai
महाप्रभु
Pandit.
के लिए कहा
For Mahaprabhu, it is said,
चैतन्य
Chaitanya
महाप्रभु अर्थात
Mahaprabhu,
निमाय पंडित
therefore
है,
Nimai
उनके
Pandit,
नाम सुनते ही बड़े बड़े पंडित
after
लोग
listening his
पश्चाताप करते
name,
हैं।
the big
केशव भारती
pandits
सब परिवार
like
को
Keshav
सहाय
Bharati,
किया
they used to get scared
और
only
उनको
just by
कैसे
listening the
विश्वास
name of
थोड़ी सी जो
Nimai
है गंगा
Pandit.
की महिमा वर्णन करके गए
And
और
little
वहां
bit
से होकर
Keshav
उनके
Kashmiri, he talked about the glories about Ganga. There, thereafter later, Mahaprabhu
क्योंकि वो केशव कश्मीर जो है
defeated
उसकी
Keshav Kashmiri
वो
because
सरस्वती के
in
साक्षात
uh,
वज्र थे।
he was the blessed son of
आराधना करके
Saraswati,
अर्थात देवी
doing
सरस्वती की आराधना
austerities
करके
of
अपने गले में
Saraswati in his
सरस्वती देवी
throat, in his neck.
विराजमान है।
Saraswati Devi was there in his throat when he used to speak the shloks. Keshav Kashmiri, who used to speak? He did not speak. It looked that Keshav Kashmiri is reciting the shloks, but no, actually Saraswati used to recite the shloks. So it is the son of Saraswati, the blessed son of Saraswati.
बहुत सुंदर समय था।
So when he came to Mahaprabhu in the time of evening at Purnima, full moon, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when with his students, when he used to sit on the bank of Ganga, and at that time, the first reflection, reddish, when he when he reflected in the Ganga water. So at that time, the sand was looking like silver. It was so shining brightly, and it was full moon. Everybody's heads were shaved, and all the students, they were looking so beautiful. And at that time, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was sitting with the students. At that time, Keshav Kashmiri came because big pandits, they know that that we are not able to defeat this Keshav Kashmiri. So Nimai, he
उसके पहले देश
so first let us send Nimai only to defeat Keshav Kashmiri.
देखो
So
उनके पास में आ गई
so when Keshav Kashmiri came to Nimai
तो
Pandit,
केशव कश्मीर जब आए महाप्रभु दीन होकर के
so Mahaprabhu very humbly
आई महाराज
he said that, "Oh Maharaj, please come sit. What shall I serve? How shall I serve you?" So Keshav Kashmiri said that, "Oh, I have heard that you are so intelligent, that you are defeating so that you do tark with so big pandits. You look like so small child." So Mahaprabhu very humbly that, "Oh, where I am Pandit, I am just I teach that I teach only the grammar of Sanskrit. And even I also do not know the grammar of the Sanskrit, and to whom I am teaching the students, they also don't know. We only just discuss the grammar of Sanskrit." So Keshav Kashmiri said that, "Oh, I have heard your glories, that you have through Nabya Nyay, you have defeated many big pandits." So Keshav Kashmiri said that, "Oh, do Shastart with me." So, so Mahaprabhu said that, "Oh, how will I able to do Shastart with you? First, you speak something." So Keshav Kashmiri said that, "Oh, what you want to hear about?" So Mahaprabhu said that, "Oh, we are sitting at the bank of Ganga, so pure water, the glories of Ganga, which is recited by Shankaracharya. Devi Sureshwari Bhagavati Gange Tribhuvani Tarini Taral Tarange. This Ganga Stotram. This is the glories of Ganges. The glories of Ganges are so beautiful that I want to hear something from the lips of yours." Mahaprabhu asked Keshav Kashmir. So Keshav Kashmir said that, "Oh yes, why not?" Then, with so many shloks, he started to speak about the glories of Ganga. These Pandit people, with Udatta, Unudatta, with sometimes reciting very highly, very slowly, with the beautiful tone, they speak thousand shloks of Ganga, like so much. So Mahaprabhu he became very happy after listening to Keshav Kashmiri. So Keshav Kashmiri said, "So how did you like?" The Mahaprabhu said that, "Oh, I liked it, but that I want to listen the explanation of one shlok, only just one shlok. Whatever shloks you have recited, only within that shloks, you tell the meaning, explanation of only one shlok. Whatever shloks." So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is speaking, the Pandit is speaking, so the Keshav Kashmiri like train is going with Rajdhani Express with so much, which is the fastest right now train, the bullet train. Like bullet train, Keshav Kashmiri is speaking so many shloks about the glories of Ganges. Then Mahaprabhu said that, "Oh, very beautifully I have recited, but Mahatang Gangayam." Mahaprabhu asked to give the explanation, meaning of this shlok. So Keshav Kashmiri's heart, so he got shocked that how he is able to learn this shlok. I have said so, I have recited so many shloks about the glories of Ganges, and this child Mahaprabhu, he learn the shlok also. He may be Shrutidhar. After just listening once, he